Okay, good morning, everyone. It is Monday, and if you don't have to work next Labor Day, it's the last Monday for 2 weeks. How about that? But it's also going to be a 1 day major heat wave. So let's get on right into this. I got a lot of weather to cover this morning. The first visibles are coming in on our Gold Star satellite, and there is a little bit of cloud cover up in northern and southeast Oklahoma. I think that's going to burn away quite rapidly. High pressure setting out over West Texas is going to build in for later on this afternoon. And when you get air descending, it compresses and it warms, but then that's going to be it because tonight we got a cold front coming through. Now, what are we looking at here? Okay, this is the South Central Plains, Oklahoma, Texas, Arkansas, Louisiana, New Mexico. The blue area is where we are capped, and you can see it's very, very strong. It's beginning to weaken already right down here along the Texas coast, so that does not let the atmosphere rise. The lower parts of the atmosphere, you can't get warm air going up through hot air. So this is pretty well going to hold things down all day until probably around midnight tonight. Then a cold front's going to come down, break the cap, and we're going to get a line of severe thunderstorms coming through overnight with that cold front. Radar this morning, very light. It's probably picking up some haze over here near Paris and Bonham. Otherwise, no echoes showing up at the present time. All right, let's go on up to the big screen and out to the Prop Strike Cafe Tuesday through Saturday, 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Now, tomorrow will be Taco Tuesday. And that's what you get, and I'm telling you, they're good. This is not your normal taco. It's not hamburger meat. That is a fajita type beef, and you put that cheese and sauce and peppers in there, and boy, it is good. It's a soft taco. Come on out tomorrow for Taco Tuesday. Gold Star satellite this morning, the infrared shot. Here's kind of what I was talking about. That high is setting right here, and just go ahead and do this to it, because it is going to be super hot. The cold front's still way up in Nebraska, but it's on the way south. We got an abundance of Gulf moisture. The heat index over much of Oklahoma and central and north Texas today, 113. That's what it's going to feel like outside. So be very careful if you have to work outside today. Here comes our cold front. Right now, just entering the northwest part of Nebraska. Later tonight, that will be all the way down to about Wichita, Kansas. And as it moves southward, this little short wave trough right here is what we call a digging short wave. That means it's moving this way and it's going to cut off into a closed low right here by tomorrow, and that will give excellent upper level support for that front and about a 20-degree temperature drop. Radcast 5000 has picked up on this quite well. This is for 7 o'clock tonight. There's the cold front right there, and a line of thunderstorms developing. It's going to move southward. Probably come through the Oklahoma City area around 10 p.m. Dallas area somewhere around midnight to 3 a.m. in the morning, the way it looks. And with that, tonight, slight risk of severe weather over most of Oklahoma and enhanced risk from near Tulsa all the way to St. Louis. It's going to be a pretty stormy night. Now, by tomorrow, the front is all the way down into Texas, but still a good band of rain and storms. Behind this front, highs are only going to be in the 80s. Ahead of the front, 100. Okay, so it's a good, strong cold front. And also, look at this. Tropical Storm Dorian formed over the weekend. expected to become a hurricane. Not looking at a major storm right now, but it could be a big storm affecting the Dominican Republic in about 7 or 8 days. If it holds together after that, could be affecting Florida. I'm telling you, if this thing gets in the Gulf of Mexico, water temperatures right now are above 90. So if it gets up there, it could be a major hurricane. We'll have to watch that and see. So for today, hot and humid, thunderstorms late. A few of those will be severe after midnight. Winds of 10 to 15. Tomorrow, much cooler, down into the 80s. Scattered storms. Some of those will be heavy. Winds of still around 10 to 15. 7-day outlook. I've got thunderstorms all the way into Saturday. It looks like another cold front may get down here late Friday, and we'll have a pretty good chance of rain with that as well. So, as always, join us here at U.S. Aviation. We will keep you advised on all the weather. Send those photos in to my email address. I got a whole bunch of them lined up for the rest of the week from Saturday and Friday storms up in Oklahoma. Have a nice day. Stay here. We'll keep you advised.